Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the first Superenduro vlog of the year, or of the new season. It's beginning of December, we're here in Krakow in Poland, and as you can see we are in our apartment, which looks like a little royal facility, super high ceilings and yeah, a lot of fun. We had a stressful journey to get here, we were a little bit late. We had to pick up the sticker kit because we had some last minute changes made to it. I will show it to you now. We just put the new stuff on, as you can see. Fresh kit from Backyard Design. Looks so cool. That's the big change. My sponsor Weber stepped it up, and yeah, they got on the sides of the yeah, what's it called? Tank plastics. Shout out Backyard Design as well for the sick work. The kit looks absolutely amazing. It's a little bit yellowish now, but yeah, you will see pictures from my bike. These have to go on the forks, swing arm and the rear mudguard. That's it for today. Taking you along for tomorrow's race day. Vivian is here with me, and yeah, she will have the camera all day and try to capture as much as we can. Anyways, I'll go to sleep now and see you tomorrow. Yo guys, Saturday is here, we're in Krakow. The guys behind me from Enduro are just drilling my starting device in my fork guard because I forgot it. It was completely out of my mind. My bad, but yeah, we are able to fix it. After that I'll take you to my pit and show you my bike and show you my setup, and we go walk the track, so stay tuned. As always in Poland, the dirt is super soft. It's like chewing gum. Yeah, it will be interesting to see. Like, the bike loses a lot of power because it sticks so much to the ground. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so guys, the first half of the day is done. We had free practice and time practice, and I had a really good feeling, but as I said before, the dirt is so soft, and yeah, I just felt the gearing of the bike was not perfect, and I had to fight the bike the whole time, but everything else felt very good. I had a good time in free practice. I was 6th fastest, but I didn't even try to get a fast lap. And then in time... Yeah, sorry we got interrupted there by Teddy's Polish fans, which is very nice to see. Like the people here are going crazy for him. Yeah, and then in the time practice, I didn't get one good lap. All the time I got the beginning of the lap very good, and then in the end I always had people in front of me in the matrix, or I messed up, so not so good. Only ended up 9th, which doesn't put me in the Super Pole, and I will start from the 2nd row 2 times, but we'll make it work. I whole-shotted, or almost whole-shotted the race from the 2nd row before here, so not the end of the world, but also not the start I was hoping for. And yeah, but now stay positive and see you in the main race.
Kevin Gallas! Zwycięzca! Jedzie go zwycięzca, dajcie szanu chłopakowi! Teraz jeszcze na
So first race was over, got a great start, then had some mistakes in the rocks, but was so good to battle up front. Yeah, we're about to start the 2nd one, let's see what we can do.
Musiało się zacząć od potężnego zamieszania. Rosjanin Dawid Leonard na pierwszy, za nim Blake Gunzaj. Bardzo szybko przedem się do przodu Billy Ball.
guys, we're already on our way home, somewhere in East Germany at a fuel station. I just wanted to end the video here and give you a little summary of yesterday. All in all, I had a great evening. First time with my new mechanic, but it was great. Like, we had the best time. Everything worked perfect. He learned a lot, and I think we worked good together. And yeah, all in all, really happy. Had a mixed day, like with results. The first two races were not so good. I felt my riding was improving, but the second start I messed it up and crashed, and somebody crashed into me, so I had to go from last to 10th. But I was riding mistake free. The lap times were really good, so happy with that. And then in the last one got a 5th place to get 7th overall, which is really good overall position, I feel, for the first event. I didn't have the best preparation ever, but yeah, I have now 3 weeks to work until Riesa, and see you then.